So today we are working on the Fusion again. We are doing LED tag lights. So I bought these off of eBay. They were like, I think $12 shipped. I finally got them in, and it's a good test to show you what they look like with the halogen in, and I'll show you what they look like with the LED, and we'll get into what they look like. Also, side topic. The dude came for the hood. I gave him the grill because I gave him the bumper because I couldn't get the grill out, and he also bought a passenger fender. So 250 bucks. Got $90 for cats, 250 for that, and I have another guy that's coming for $200 for the car tomorrow. I did pull the nav out because the guy actually backed out, so I will try to sell that. But yeah, I got too much stuff going on, and I actually listed the Outback XT for sale as well. So seems to have a lot of interest, but we'll see. I didn't buy the Fusion. It's a shame because I really didn't want to get rid of the XT. I really do like that car, and it's for what it is. It's actually a pretty nice car for a 2008, but too much stuff going on, and I got too much stuff and it needs to go. Okay, like I said, just put a screwdriver on this side and this thing should, might have to get the screwdriver back in here. I'm sorry about the video. There you go. And it should just pop out. So I'm gonna need, because I don't have my camera tripod, I might be able to do it with one hand. Now, let me put this down real quick and then we'll see how this comes apart. So as you can tell, there's marks on the focuses on the side of the bulb, and they just go in there, so that pops off. Let me go ahead and plug this in. See if I can do this with one hand. And like I said, not sure if these are polarized. It's very hard to do with one hand. All right, let me put the phone down. All right, so I don't know if it's just a lucky guess or if it's not polarized, but way better. That's actually really good compared to that. Let me get this up here and I'll show you what it looks like. It's honestly almost too bright. Fitment went straight up in. I had zero issues with that. Definitely impressed. So let me get the other one and I'll show you what it looks like. And yeah, it finishes up this video. It's a short little one, but I like this. It looks way better and it's way brighter. Okay, so both sides are finished up. It's fairly dark. It's probably almost 8 o'clock, so definitely bright. And the nice part is these function the same way as your normal lights. This might take a second to dim, but they still dim just like everything else, and nothing's changed. So I guess you could have probably put bulbs in there, but I think a good set of LED bulbs for this are probably $10 offline. And these was the whole, this was the whole housing. So if nothing else, if these decide that they're cheap and they break or whatever, then I'll just replace it. But like I said, as you can tell, dims, you don't have anything underneath. Nothing's dimly lit. So I like these. I am going to get in and test real quick just to make sure. Actually, I'll do that real on camera to make sure that there's no bulb out indicator, but I don't think there should be. Looks like there's a resistor on there. Nope. Yeah, so other than my seatbelt and door jar, and I got headlight and fog lights on. So yeah, pretty quick, easy mod. I really liked it. Looks really good, and looks clean. I like the white part of an LED, and I like the fact that these are not, let me shut the car off. I like the fact that these are not like a blue color. I like when LEDs are super white. So yeah, if you guys have any comments or anything, I'll post a link up on the eBay site that I got it from, but I'm sure anything like off Amazon, they're pretty much all the same, I'm sure. But I did have one problem with this car today, and there's going to be a future video. I got a traction control light, traction off light, StabiliTrak, hill assist, airbag light, and I lost steering temporarily. So from what I've read, the power assist, not steering completely, but From what I read, it looks like there is a speed sensor. I don't know why it does all of those things, but I pulled the codes and it's definitely coming from the left front wheel. So that might be a video for the future. I'm going to see if I can diagnose to make sure that's actually what it is before we just throw parts at it. But I guess that's the first breakdown. The wheel bearing probably shouldn't have passed inspection, so that's a freebie, but we're going to consider the speed sensor or whatever I have to do to the left front wheel. That's going to be the first breakdown. So again, thanks for watching. I also have issues with somebody trying to have someone come build the patio roof, so that might be on the channel. We might show you little bits and pieces of what we're doing. I got a quote for $20,000 and I just don't see that happening. So but yeah, we might post that up if you guys are interested. But thanks again for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and comment below.